Welcome to the Book Hackers Podcast. I'm Cindy Minear.
I'm Tammie Chrin, and we are the co-founders of the Book Hackers Club. If you're listening to this, you probably are a self-publisher who's ready to grow your business, and that's exactly why we're here. What is a book hacker, you ask? A book hacker is a self-publisher who is growing their business by creating books that provide value for their target audience while building a sustainable business.
We'll cover marketing, branding, sales, and everything in between. If you're ready to fast-track the growth of your self-publishing business, you've come to the right place. Our goal is simple: to help you think and act like an entrepreneur. Every Thursday, we'll share tips and resources designed to help you master all aspects of your self-publishing business while having fun along the way.
Ready? Let's start. Welcome to the Book Hackers Show. What is a book hacker? A book hacker is a self-publisher who is growing their business by creating books that provide value for their target audience while building a sustainable business. I'm Tammie Chrin.
And I'm Cindy Minear, your host of the Book Hacker Show. And today we're talking about creating mock-ups for your books. Let's get started.
Having great looking mock-ups is crucial for your marketing campaigns and A+ content. You need to create mock-ups of your cover and your interior. A lot of people struggle with creating mock-ups, but it doesn't really have to be a struggle. We've got you covered with 4 places you can go online to quickly and easily create mock-ups for your book. We'll put links for all these in the show notes. Do you want to tell them about the first place, Cindy?
Sure. The first place I like to go to for creating book mock-ups is Canva. There are several book mock-ups inside their design editor, and a bunch more are available by clicking on Smart Mockups under Tools in the left-hand sidebar of your Canva dashboard. No matter which tool you use to create your mockups, you will need a JPEG or PNG file of your front cover. I usually open up my cover PDF file, then do a screen capture of just the front cover portion. This is a quick and easy way to get the image file to use for my mockups. Since you aren't going to print it, you don't need a high-resolution image to make your mockups. While Canva has nice cover mockups, they don't have any interior mockups. I'll pass it back to Tammie to tell you about another place where you can create book mockups.
Thanks, Cindy. One of my favorite places to create book mockups is DIY Book Design 3D Mockup Tool. It's free to use. You just need to upload an image of your book cover. They'll provide a transparent PNG image of your book cover that you can add to your marketing materials. If you have an ebook as well as a paperback book, this site will allow you to create a composite image with a paperback, tablet, or phone. Can you tell them about the next place, Cindy?
Of course. Another place I use for mockups is Mockups-Design. They have some really nice templates you can download, but they're only for Photoshop. You can get mockups for both covers and interiors of your book there. If you have Photoshop and know how to use it, this is a good source of free mockups. Back to you, Tammie, to tell everyone about the fourth place they can go to create book mockups.
Thanks, Cindy. Another place you can get an attractive mockup is Placeit. They have a great selection of mockups, but you have to pay for them. If you're going to be creating a lot of mockups with Placeit, you want to sign up for their $14.95 a month subscription that gives you unlimited downloads. If you just want one, you can purchase it without a subscription for $7.95. Speaking of purchasing templates, why don't you tell everyone about the book mockup templates you sell, Cindy?
Well, okay, Tammie, if you insist. I have 2 sets of A+ content book mockup Canva templates that I sell. One is sized for 8.5 by 11 books, and the other for 6 by 9 sized books. Each set contains 3 templates sized for 3 different A+ content modules. These templates make it quick and easy to create your A+ content, and they include templates for both the front cover, back cover, and interior of your book. We'll drop a link to them in the show notes. That wraps up all the different ways to make book mockups that we're going to talk about today.
Here's a quick recap of what we discussed in this episode. Having great mockup is crucial for your marketing. Canva and 3D mockups are 2 places you can get free mockups. If you have Photoshop Mockup-Design, they have some great mockup templates you can use. If you don't mind paying for mockups, Placeit has some great ones available. And as we talked about before, Cindy has them available as well. So check out A+ content from Cindy Minear. We'll drop the link in the show notes. In our next episode, we'll talk about how to keep yourself from burning out. We appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule for joining us.
If you like what we're sharing here on the Book Hackers Show, join our Book Hackers Club, where we dive deeper into helping you build a strong and sustainable self-publishing business. Go to bookhackers.us, that's bookhackers.us. Join us every Thursday if you're ready to turn your self-publishing into a sustainable business. We'd be very grateful if you would like, follow, share, and subscribe to the Book Hackers Show. Bye for now.
Thanks for listening. Join Cindy and Tammie each week for tips to help grow your self-publishing business. Don't forget to like and follow us on social media, as well as share with others who could benefit from our advice.